water is up everywhere, so where it usually would not be that fishable, it may be now. They may have moved this way. The current is also flowing like crazy. Trying to find somewhere stuff may have set up. Start moving back to the original spot near the bridge. I'm gonna give one cast down the side here. Definitely went way far afield. It's okay. These rocks, I know it's close. I imagine we the only thing's gonna hide fish right now. Okay, let's carry on up. Not necessarily looking for fish, but I'm looking for places I can cast into that fish may be hiding. Could be hiding in that grass of various sizes. Or this grass. Kicking this hard, I can go it fairly slow and just pull against the current to get all the action I need. Well, there's a minnow, and there was maybe a hit. Might have just been snagging on a plant. Hey, at least we have a minnow. Something is around. grass pile now. I did not want to be there. Be close to the grass pile, but in it, because I will snag it, and the 6-pound test will snap. Alright, last go at it. Then I'll throw the, probably the glad bait for a little bit. Maybe the jerk bait. Jerk bait might be better for here. This is going to glide that easily through the heavier current. Oh, there's something. Stop fighting for a second too. Good. Right where I feared he'd be, hiding by the grass. Okay. Alright, bud. Hit the middle of it. Hold on, bud. Alright, there we go, bud. Little guy, little angry guy. And jerk bait. There he goes. Alright. See if there's anything else around. I think that's the only place I'm going to be finding stuff today. It's kind of hiding around the grass. He looked shocked when I got him reeling. Kinda sat there and let me pull him through the flow. Our time is rapidly running out. Tried carp fishing a little earlier. Just with the current, just wasn't happening. And there's my alarm. We're at 12 minutes and 51 seconds. I got about 9 minutes before I have to leave. So we'll give it at least 3 or 4 minutes. We're gonna throw. We'll probably throw the glide in a minute, and I can throw it in the shallow, the eddy part of the water. But we'll throw this Ned rig. I don't think it's even sinking with the wind catching it against the current, because the wind's blowing opposite of the current. So it's selling me backwards and the current's pulling me forward. Killing me. Alright, we're gonna wrap it up. Don't have time. I'm gonna throw the glide bait real quick. At least we can say we weren't skunked. Jerkbait did come through. Brought us a little pike. That current's got the glide bait right on top. A little bit further and it'll start to sink. And there's a chance I'm going to see it there. Come for it. Better chance is going to be to throw it. Glide it around the grass. Gliding it right into the grass. Oh, that's probably what I was doing. I'm surprised we got one, to be honest with you, but we're gonna have to wrap it up. I will see you guys next time for another uncut outdoor nubbles, or come in Sunday we're gonna have an edited video, which I believe is the walleye catch coming up. It's gonna be a good day. All right, guys. Till we meet again. Fish on, my friends. Fish on.